The nature of the world can be understood in many different ways depending on one's perspective and field of study. From a scientific perspective, the world is often described as a vast, complex system composed of matter and energy, governed by natural laws and principles. According to our current understanding, the universe began with a massive explosion called the Big Bang, and has been expanding and evolving ever since. The world is composed of countless galaxies, stars, planets, and other celestial bodies, all of which interact with each other through the fundamental forces of nature. In addition to the physical properties of matter and energy, the world is also characterized by the existence of life. Life on Earth is believed to have originated billions of years ago through a process of evolution by natural selection, and has since diversified into a wide range of forms and ecosystems. The study of life and its interactions with the environment is known as biology, and it helps us understand the complex processes that shape the natural world. Another way of understanding the nature of the world is through philosophy, which seeks to explore the underlying principles and concepts that govern the universe. Philosophers have grappled with questions about the nature of reality, consciousness, morality, and the human condition for centuries, and their ideas have shaped the way we think about the world and our place in it. Overall, the nature of the world is a vast and complex topic that encompasses many different fields of study and perspectives. It is an ongoing area of exploration and discovery, and our understanding of the world is constantly evolving as we continue to learn more about its fundamental properties and processes. The nature of the world refers to its fundamental properties and characteristics. According to our current understanding, the world is composed of matter and energy, which interact through the fundamental forces of nature: gravitational, electromagnetic, strong and weak nuclear. Matter is made up of atoms, which are themselves composed of smaller particles, such as protons, neutrons, and electrons. Energy exists in various forms, including kinetic energy, motion, thermal energy, heat, potential energy, stored energy, and electromagnetic radiation, such as light. Circumstances of the world refer to the specific conditions and events that shape human experience. These circumstances are influenced by a wide range of factors, including geography, climate, technology, culture, and politics. Some of the most pressing issues facing humanity today include climate change, social inequality, political instability, and the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. It's important to note that our understanding of the nature and circumstances of the world is constantly evolving. Scientific discoveries and technological advancements continue to expand our understanding of the universe and the forces that shape it, while social and political events shape our experiences and interactions with the world around us.